And this is what my pretty dear mama is wearing. She's also wearing a Gopika dress and she's looking so wonderful and fabulous in it. She's the prettiest. Look at her twirl, twirl. And this is me. I am also wearing a Gopika dress. My one is cotton though, because I feel very hot in this weather and I really wanted to roam around very nicely. I don't know you guys can hear my voice properly or not, because यहाँ पे there is no noise. The ambience is really good, but there are many people. So this view, this angles are so aesthetic. No, I can't bear it. It's so pleasing to the eyes. It's just so nicely made. It feels very nice. So यहाँ से this is the entry of the mandir. Yeah, the weather is also very nice because it's not even raining, and look at the clouds, the sky, it's beautiful. The sky is actually legit sky blue color. So this is the exit way, and this is the way to Gada Bhavan and Prasadam Hall. So this is the way we are going out, and the way where we are staying, that is the Conch Bhavan, like the Shankho Bhavan, and there it is, the mandir is also present. So here we are exiting from that area, and in this area you will first see that over here there is this entire tourism ka place plant, and yahan pe the parking of the car happens. So every car is parked over here, and उस car parking के सामने only there is Mayapur Tourism Center, and this tourism center के सामने is only Gada Bhavan. So Gada Bhavan is also this residential place where you can get to stay. It's also very nice property under Mayapur guest house only. So we are staying in Conch because that's very nearer to hotel, and I have my nanny with me, so it's easier for us. We don't have to travel much. So hi, so this is editing through she, and she has to say something. So this clip was supposed to be in the earlier video, but I missed it, so we are adding this now. And now to day 3. So this is the Mayapur launch ghat. For those who can't read Bengali, it's written Mayapur launch ghat. And here all the launches the people can board launch from here and go to Navadvip, the next destination. And we have come here to check out this point as well, because we don't have time to go to the next point. We hope we will be going the other time, but we can check out this place instead, right? So this is me. I'm wearing this Gopika dress and I like it. I think it will look good. I look very dull because the lighting is not right, but I hope you guys like it. This is the launch ghat. So the place where we are entering, it's a huge place. It starts with Sri Chaitanya Dev's mandir, and there is another Swami's mandir where the Samadhi Sthan is present. Here also there is a pond over where there are fishes and people are feeding the fishes. And also a later part of this place is where it's known as the Mama, like Mashi and Meshu of Chaitanya Dev, that is the maternal uncle and aunt. So basically it consists of 3 things. So the first, the temple like structure that you are seeing there, it is the Samadhi Sthan. Now we will see that. Before that, I wanted to show you this pretty flowers, because you know by now that I am a girl who loves flower. And samne you can see my mama is working, and we are entering, and I was not sure we could use our phone or not, but it was allowed. So this place was very, very, very peaceful. It was not crowded also. There were many people, but as this area was super large, so it was not crowded and people could easily move around and pray. So I will zoom into the exact name of the person whose Samadhi Sthan it is. So it is said that the ashes are stored in this place, and above that they have built the statue of this person so that one can worship him. So he is Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada, and this is the Samadhi temple of his. After that, I was moving on to the part where I told that there are fishes and people can feed the fishes. They are buying Mare biscuit. So it is known as the Sham Kund. It is written, you can see that it is Obhinno Brindaban o Bajro Patton এখানে শ্রী শ্যামকুণ্ড ও শ্রী রাধাকুণ্ড দর্শন করুন. So this is the Shamkund and Radhakund if you don't understand Bengali. So Shamkund, Radhakund is this place that is the pond, and here there are large, like extremely large fishes present. And यहाँ पे it's mentioned that you can't like wash your feet or don't spit or don't like do anything wrong with the water. It's pure water and fishes stay here. So if you want, you can just touch the water and put over your head for blessings or feed the fishes, what people are doing. But don't just spit something or don't throw something dirty over there. So we went to the place and it was very crowded because everyone wanted to see the fishes, and like people could actually see the fish, and there were so many huge fish of different kind, and they were providing biscuits, and I was very astonished to see that fishes have biscuits. Now people told that, see, everyone is like they have a habit. So these fishes have been trained as a ki they get fishes as soon as they take birth, so they are now trained vessels. So you can see that big fish, yeah, you can see, yeah. So all these fishes roam around and they have biscuits and they just chill around. So we took the blessings of this Shamkund, Radhakund, and I wanted to have you all see the view of this place because except for the fish and the fun stuff, this place has a divine vibe to it which I could not miss, and I wanted all of you who is watching to feel that as well. So after that we moved on to the part that I was talking about, that is the Mashi and Meshur Bari. So the uncle and aunt's house. So it's not the house actually, it's a museum where everything about Sri Chaitanya Dev has been portrayed, how he took birth. And before that museum there is another temple of Sri Radha Krishna. So after that temple there is a small prasadam shop, and then there is this museum. So as I said, this is a huge long passage and there are multiple stops in that one place itself. So here they also have a shop inside from where you can purchase like memorandums, and if you want to give something to people, so you can have that as well. So we were planning to enter to the temple because at that point we did not know what the temple was about. So once we entered the temple, there are different Prabhupadas present, and also obviously the main deity, that is Sri Radha Krishna, is present. And photography was not allowed inside, so I took one glance. I shot the main photo, like I took one shot and then I stopped recording, and then we moved on to the museum part of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and there was this flower bed with pink pretty flowers, and I picked up a flower and I made a shot, and I thought I'll shoot an entire video of the museum, but they did not allow it. It was prohibited. So mobile phone was not allowed inside the museum. So I would like every one of you to come and enjoy this. There you have all the details of Mahaprabhu's like from birth till the time, like whatever he has done, how the things were, how he took birth, what are the things he did for people, how he helped, how he understood his calling for God and everything. So it's a nice thing, you get to know the things. So it's a good thing, you should come and visit. I couldn't shoot as mobile phones were not allowed, but no worries, I hope you all will come and see it. तो वी आर स्टेइंग एट इस्कॉन मायापुर गेस्ट हाउस, ठीक है. तो वहाँ पे एज पर रूल्स चाय इज़ नॉट अलाउड, मतलब कोई भी कैफीन इज़ नॉट अलाउड. तो स्मोकिंग ड्रिंकिंग ऑल आर प्रोहिबिटेड, दैट मेक सेंस, बट कॉफ़ी इज़ नॉट अलाउड, ठीक है, अंडरस्टैंडेबल. चाय इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट अलाउड. So they say ginger tea, which is ginger and sugar boiled in water. And after 2 days, whole 2 days, me who is a very, very, very much chai loving person and can't process without chai. And if not chai, coffee, at least I need one caffeinated drink in my life in a day. After 2 whole days, I am getting chai. Wait. Yes, chai. With a biscuit, and my mama was going mad. She legit needed chai. I was still quiet, ठीक है. I was trying to compose my mind कि कोई बात नहीं, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram. But my mama was losing her mind. She was like, why are they not allowing chai? They have fruity, they have Sprite. What's wrong with chai? And it's true. चाहते कि जो स्प्राइट खाना चाहते हैं, कैफीन ठीक है, यू शुडंट हैव कैफीन, अंडरस्टैंडेबल. So while returning to our Bhavan, Conch Bhavan, we see people taking, like, chanting the Harinam and dancing on the streets, and we thought it's super fun, so we made, like, I joined them later, but before that I took some clips just to show the vibe of ISKCON Mayapur, and it's so fun and so pure. It's just very wholesome. We have reached our Conch Bhavan, and we will go and wait for some time and then go back to Mandir, spend some time there because tomorrow we are leaving. So before leaving, we will take some prasad for everyone, for our friends and family, and we will also stay just to spend time with Lord Krishna for some more time because the place is so divine. I can't even describe in words. You can see how tired I am. I have slept enough, but I'm super tired, but still I can't get enough. I rarely take trips, but thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. All of you say Hare Krishna, keep smiling, and bye.